Hello, and welcome to BIAS I.T. Are you considering upgrading the computers in your office or warehouse? Perhaps your factory needs a new IT system, or you're looking to refresh your company's server room with the latest hardware. Maybe you're exploring IT solutions to enable remote work. Whatever your needs, BIAS I.T. is here to help. While nearly every company's IT needs are unique, there are 4 business-critical requirements that virtually every organization shares. First on that list is the ability to back up all your work, records, and essential business software. A secure and reliable backup system is non-negotiable. Second, you need a robust disaster recovery plan. That means having the tools and strategies to quickly restore your systems and data if the worst should happen. Third, every business needs a trusted, reliable, and highly skilled IT partner. When it comes to configuring and installing your IT systems, leaving it to chance simply isn't an option. And finally, ongoing support is essential. From solving everyday issues like email problems or troubleshooting a laptop, to the critical monitoring of backup systems, every business benefits from dedicated IT support. At BIAS I.T., our hardware installation and computer support teams cover all these critical requirements and much more. For instance, when it comes to IT installations, data backups, and system recovery after disasters like fires, floods, or ransomware attacks, we pride ourselves on being the gold standard. And we don't use that term lightly. BIAS I.T. has been recognized as a Synology Gold partner, thanks to our advanced certifications in data backup management and hardware installation. If you're familiar with Synology, you'll know they are a global leader in data storage solutions, offering some of the most secure backup systems available. Their solutions cater to businesses of all sizes, from affordable desktop storage for small companies to enterprise-grade, rack-mounted systems for server rooms and data centers. By providing a gold standard service, BIAS I.T. ensures that when it comes to managing your IT hardware, you're in expert hands. Our engineers handle every aspect of IT infrastructure, from custom-built computers to standard off-the-shelf systems. Whether it's Dell, HP, Cisco, Apple, or any other brand, we configure, install, and support your equipment. That includes smartphones, tablets, laptops, desktops, servers, and beyond. In short, the BIAS I.T. team takes care of everything, from computer acquisitions and hardware installations to network cabling, software setups, account configurations, and virtualization. Our services are comprehensive. And with 24/7, 365-day support, we're always here for you. For help, give BIAS I.T. a call. Whatever your business, we've got IT covered.